What's going on YouTube? Steven, a salon guy here, and today's hair tips video, I'm going to be talking about the sweep. So what is a sweep? Also known as like the old school Justin Bieber haircut, where you just, flip your head this way and the hair just sweeps over, or like a surfer type haircut. So the key is really, how do you get that type of look? So here is a mannequin with much longer hair, right? And somebody wants to sweep it over. It's literally like flinging your head over and all the hair just kind of comes across. You need to have the proper haircut for it. Really, that's what it comes down to. If you don't have any layers in your hair, you're not really gonna get that sweeping motion, okay? This is one example of the hair being a little bit longer, and I have a couple other mannequins here that I can show you. So here is another great example of the sweeping cut, the more kind of traditional, where somebody's swings their head over this way and all this hair just comes across. I've done hundreds and hundreds of these haircuts, and people say, oh, you can't really see, but yeah, you can see through the hair. But a lot of times guys would like to have this type of look. So as you can see, the layers are right in through here. Let's give you a clear shot of this. So here's the layering right in through here, okay? If you don't have layers in your hair, you see when I shake this mannequin, and this is why I use mannequins. I can actually go like this and not have anyone yell at me. But the thing is you can actually see that when you shake the head, all that hair that's flowing, let's turn over this way. All this, whoa, that's pretty crazy. Look at that. You could see all this hair in through here. These are what layers are. All right, I guess this is what it would look like if the video was upside down, upside down video. But yeah, so you need layers in your hair to be able to have that sweep, all right? And it has to be a certain length around here. I'd say probably to the bridge of the nose, or maybe just like to the eyes. If it's too short, here's something else that's important. If it's too short, right? If the hair is cut like way up here, let's see if we can kind of create something like this. So if the hair is cut right here, very, very short in the front, most likely it's not going to be able to sweep all the way over. It's not gonna sweep at all. And here's a quick little trick. If men and women watching this, if you want to see what your bangs look like, you just take your hands and you take the hair like this, and you just kind of mold it into place, that you can actually see what your hair looks like. If you want to try bangs out, you can kind of fake it and see, right? So lastly, with the sweeping haircut, this is a female mannequin right in through here, and this is a really, really great, really cool shape if you're looking for that sweep. All right, as you can see right in through here. This is a very extreme kind of angled fringe where it's much shorter in through here, and it works all the way down into a longer point. For women, I've noticed that the sweep works really, really well when you've got an extreme kind of really angled shape. A strong triangular shape right in through here. I've noticed that it works really well because the hair can just fling over this way, and the shortness will kind of work into this corner right in through here. So here's another example of a female mannequin with a really, really cool sweep as well. So guess the takeaways from this is make sure that you can turn your head upside down. Let's do that again. Make sure you can do this, all right, to your own head. Pull it off of your body, and here we go, do this. Now, but some quick tips, make sure that your hair is layered. So if you're going to your stylist or your barber and you want that sweeping look where you turn your head and everything flows, you have to make sure it's layered. I mean, it's a very, very precise haircut. I have people that travel quite a distance for me to do that haircut on them because it really requires a lot of work. So make sure it's layered properly, make sure it's short enough, make sure it's long enough, it's gotta be that right length, and make sure that the person doing it is very well crafted with shear work. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and click the bell so you get notified when my videos go up. Thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for more videos with The Salon.